Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's lesson I'll be showing you on how to make this half welt pocket. It's like this. Okay, now you have to cut for the pocket. You are going to determine the width of this pocket from this line to the edge of your seam allowance. So this is 6.5. No, this is 6 1/4 actually, but I made it a bit wider so that there is still allowance when you put it. Then you just cut it later. Okay, as you notice that this pocket is wider than the actual size of this project. Okay, so this measures 7 by 11 inches, 2 pieces, and this one is for this one. I'm not gonna use a dark color any longer so that it will be a bit clearer to you. And then I cut 2 pieces of interfacing. Since I do not have the pilon, then I'm gonna use this interfacing to make a bit stiffer. And you have to press this one first before starting the project. Okay, press it and start doing it. Okay, by the way, this is already marked on the other side also. Means this is 2 pieces from this is for the right and left side of this project, but you are going to transfer these 2 marks for the pocket, 1 and 2. You have to mark on the right side of your project, so you have to transfer it this way. Then this one. There. So this is now your right side. Okay, this is your wrong side. I'll just mark this one for the demonstration. Okay, so that you'll not get confused when you do it. Okay, now I need to press this one and start the project. You can use pilon, but don't use the too hard. Okay. Then you are going to get the size of this one and mark it here. That is the place which you are going to stitch it. This is 7/8 size. There. Okay, you have to mark both. Okay, there. Now let's proceed with the stitching. Let's begin. You have to stitch this line first. Get 1 piece, so we'll do the right side. Now you have to attach this one to this area. Okay, estimate that you are going to attach it with 1/4 higher than the lower mark of your pocket. This one, 1/4 higher. Okay, then you are going to stitch in there 1/4 higher also. Okay, here. I repeat, you have to place the edge of your pocket 1/4 higher than the mark, and then you are going to stitch here on this area 1/4 higher than the edge of your pocket. Okay? Yes. It is exact at the middle of this line of the dart. Okay? There. Then remove. Then you have to cut this now. You have to cut this body at the edge of your, aligned to your pocket. There. Okay. There. And then cut it until the stitch. There. Then turn it this way, like this. Okay. Then stitch here. Stitch the edge of this body. Okay. But before stitching it, you are going to overlap this part. Okay. There. Stitch it here. Have to open this. You can see that this is left. Okay, you are going to cut this line going to the mark there. Don't make it too low. Okay, then you have to insert this going there and like this. Okay, like this. Did you get? Okay, then stitch this line here. After stitching it, you are going to attach this one. See? To avoid confusion, you have to make this allowance here same size of this one, the allowance here on your pocket. And then place it this way. See? So you have to align these stitches here to the stitches on the body. Like this. Okay? It is aligned here. And align it there. Align it there. Okay? So if that is aligned, make it sure that it will reach until the middle here. Okay? Start to stitch lower, a bit lower than your original stitches here. Okay. turn it this way. It is already like this. So you can picture now. Okay, but this one is still open. You need this one to fold, or you just overlock it and stitch. Okay, when you stitch that one, you have to open this. Okay, this must not be included here. It's only on the pocket. You have to stitch that this way. Okay. See, it's exact on the mark. It's neat. Okay, so this is now your pocket. Okay, pin it here and pin it here. You see, this is aligned, this pocket now is aligned to the center mark of your dart. Okay, and then you are going to stitch it here now. So you have to get the allowance of your dart. So it will come there. Like this. Okay, you have to stitch from there. Okay, then you are going to stitch here also. And then, okay, then follow the size of your body. Okay, so this is now your pocket. You have to fix this mark, huh?